It is time now for Better Money, and Eric Hogarth is a certified financial planner and the senior partner at Johnson Brunetti. He's here because we're talking about how we can plan for healthcare costs, which can be super expensive in retirement. So thanks for being here.
Of course.
So healthcare expenses, those are, when you sit down with people, some of the largest expenses in retirement. It's also maybe hard to plan for.
It's hard to plan for because it's one of the largest expenses. Most Americans have been paying it through their payroll at work, so you don't feel it. You retire, all of a sudden I'm paying for it. It gets more expensive every year, and you need it.
Okay.
So it's a big factor.
Also, most people no longer have that employer or union-sponsored health benefits.
Yeah, so they're finding themselves in a position where their health care is now not as comprehensive as it once was, and that's daunting. There's so many options, it can be overwhelming.
So to combat this, you say contribute maybe to an HSA?
HSA is a fantastic savings vehicle. During working years, you can fund money into an HSA, health savings account, pre-tax, so you get a tax break. It grows tax-deferred. If you use it for qualifying medical expenses that we will all have, it's tax-free.
And you can leave it there and let it roll over?
You can leave it there and let it roll over, and you should do that.
Okay.
If you have one, do it.
Also, if you can, continue working until age 65. That should save you some.
That's a big consideration, retiring before 65, Medicare eligibility age. If you retire before then, you're paying for health insurance, and where's that coming from? You're paying more for health insurance.
So 65, you want to wait to that Medicare age unless you get some extra bucks, and understand your Medicare options.
Of which there are tons. Everyone's situation is different. Do you go to the doctor a lot? Do you have a lot of specialists? Can you have flexibility in who you're going to see? Get educated on this, and this will help before you find yourself forced to make a decision, and potentially the wrong one.
Yeah. All right, so you have an offer to help people be less confused. It's healthcare expenses. Don't let healthcare expenses derail your retirement. You can get this copy for free. All you have to do is go to bettermoneytv.com. You'll get it for free. And Eric and the team will answer your questions if you have any.
Of course we will.
All right, thanks so much, Eric.
Thanks, Karen.
That's Better Money.